Okay, so on this one, we're going to put it all together. We're going to translate, show the states of matter. We're going to balance it and state the type. So we're just going to go through and do this. First off, it says that we have sodium chloride. Now, one of the things that I need to do is always check the charges. So anytime I write from a word to a symbol, I have to check the charges. So sodium is a +1. Chlorine's a -1. If you don't know where I'm getting those, again, from the periodic table, sodium is over here. It's a +1. It's in the first column. Chlorine is over here in group 17, not number 17, group 17 on that. Or so it is a -1. It says that it's aqueous. So I told you to put the states there. So it's aqueous. Okay. It's going to react with, so these are my reactants. Lead tells me that is a 2. Nitrate, look to the back of your polyatomic chart, NO3. Now NO3 is a 1-. So don't forget I need 2 of those. Again, it says that it's aqueous. Okay. It's going to yield lead 2 chloride. So Pb, lead 2, tells me it's a 2. Do not put the Roman numerals in here. Chlorine, okay, which is a 1-. So again, I'm going to need a 2. Now, I don't know what state that is right now. No, yes, I do. It says it forms lead 2 chloride precipitate. That means that's my solid. Okay, we talked about that. And aqueous sodium nitrate. So NaNO3. Again, sodium's a +1, nitrate's a -1, and it's aqueous. Okay, so you've translated it. And so we've translated it. We've stated the matter. Now you need to balance it and tell what type of reaction it is. So again, you have a compound here and a compound. They switch places. So this is like AX plus BY, in which they switch, and now it's AY plus BX. Okay, so this is going to be a double replacement. The rest of it is balancing. Now, personally, I would pause and see if you can balance it on your own, because I did not go over problems number 26 through 27 where you were supposed to balance. So I would definitely suggest that in this one you make sure you can balance on there before you watch me balance it. Okay, so I'm going to first come over to the side, and I'm going to leave my polyatomic together, the NO3. Okay, so I have 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, we just do a count, 1 lead, and 2 nitrates. So that's what I have to start with. On the other side, I have 1 lead, I have 2 chlorines, 1 sodium, and 1 nitrate. Okay, so there's my count to start with. Now, I'm going to always start with my polyatomics. So I'm going to start balancing right here. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of that. That's going to double the lead and double the nitrate in this case. Whoops, my bad. Sorry, I put my 2 on the wrong side. Okay, my bad. So balance the nitrates. I'm going to put a 2 here. How about that? Some of you guys thought I was going crazy, didn't you? So that's going to double the sodium and double the nitrate. Okay. And then I need to also fix the chlorine. So if I come here and double my chlorine, that also doubles my sodium. And I think I'm going to be balanced. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2. So sorry about that. I wasn't thinking, put my nitrate 2 on the wrong side. Okay, so I have 2 here already. That's going to give me the 2 there. Sorry about that. Okay, so you go ahead and try the next one and see if you can do that one. Again, I would pause real quick. I'll go ahead and work it out for you here in just a minute, but you pause it, you try it on your own and see if you can do it. Okay, so I did a quick translation here. So we had solid iron, okay, so solid. Iron was a 3, oxygen's a 2, so we can kind of do our crisscross if you want to, 2 and 3. You have solid aluminum, those 2 are mixed together. And more than likely they had to be heated because if you just put them together on their own, they're not going to do anything. So we would have had to put some heat to them to make them actually react. It's going to form aluminum oxide. Again, put your charges on there, 3+ and a 2-, and iron metal, which is solid. So it says solid, solid, so forth. So again, the rest of it is just now to balance, if you've already did that, iron, oxygen, and aluminum. So I have 2 iron, 3 oxygen, 1 aluminum. I have 2 aluminum, 3 oxygen, and 1 iron. So in this case, I'm going to need to put a 2 here for the iron, which makes it really easy, and a 2 in front of the aluminum, which makes it really easy. So that one was a pretty easy one to balance on there. Okay, so good luck on that one.